Hello, fellow translators. This is just a quick announcement to let you know that the Translation Club is a go. And this means that you can join the Translation Club. The Translation Club, I've mentioned before that I was thinking of setting one up. I set one up and now we have over 100, I think almost 200 members. And so we're going to get going with it. We haven't decided on the next book to talk about yet. So if you join now, you can still get in on that discussion. And we'll probably have one book last like a trimester, and then during that trimester we'll be talking about the book and discussing it, and then we'll pick a new book and so on and so forth. So please feel free to join. Feel free to give your input as to what book you'd like to read next and to help vote on the book that we read next. And hopefully it could be really interesting and we can have a discussion, talk about books and translation and stuff like that. And I think it'll be a lot of fun. So anyway, check out the link down below and feel free to join the book club, and I'll see you there. And actually, since this is a very short video, I should take advantage because I always forget to mention this. I've mentioned it a couple of times, but I feel like I should mention it more often. If you're interested in taking my course or any course out there, most of the courses are available on Skillshare. I have a link in the description below where you get 2 months free of Skillshare. The way Skillshare works is you sign up for a monthly or yearly or whatever subscription, you get access to all the courses there. So since you get 2 months free using the link there below, oh, the shadow's weird. I need to work on this. That's not, anyway. But since that link is there and you get access to it for free, you could access my course and any other course for free and then just cancel after 2 months and you don't have to pay anything. So, and I feel like I should bring it up more often, even though it's probably bad business, but because I think it'll be, it's a good deal for you guys. By the way, I do get a couple of dollars for every referral I make there, but I'm pretty sure they're not going to pay me if you cancel the subscription. But that's fine. I just wanted to let you know that this is available, and so you can access quite a few courses for free, or if you maintain the subscription, all for the same price there on Skillshare. Anyway, I just wanted to bring that up, and that's pretty much it for now. I will talk to you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.